Title 3, Chapter 2, Classification of Penalties, Article 25 to Article 26 of Act Number 3815, Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. Article 25, Penalties which may be imposed. The penalties which may be imposed according to this code and their different classes are those included in the following. Principal penalties scale. First, capital punishment, death. Afflictive penalties, reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, and prison mayor. Correctional penalties, prison correctional, arresto mayor, suspension, and destierro. Light penalties, arresto menor, public censure. Penalties common to the three preceding classes, fine, and bond to keep the peace. Accessory penalties, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, suspension from public office, the right to vote and be voted for, the profession or calling, civil interdiction, indemnification, forfeiture or confiscation of instruments and proceeds of the offense, payment of cost. Article 26, when afflictive, correctional, or light penalty. A fine, whether imposed as a single or as an alternative penalty, shall be considered an afflictive penalty if it exceeds 6,000 pesos. A correctional penalty if it does not exceed 6,000 pesos, but it is not less than 200 pesos, and a light penalty if it's less than 200 pesos.